Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I am going to give my review on Act 2 Magic Butter Popcorn. So let's start. As you guys can see on the front side of the packaging, they have mentioned that these popcorns are cooked within 3 minutes. They have also given the picture of the popcorns. Now let's have a look at the red side. The net quantity of this packet is 30 grams plus 10 grams, that is 40 grams, and the price of this packet is 10 rupees. Now let's start with the cooking process. Take pressure cooker and keep it on gas stove on low flame. Then empty the packet content in the pressure cooker. Then place the lid on the pressure cooker. Make sure that you don't lock the pressure cooker. Let it cook for 3 minutes. And once you get the pop sound, you can then turn off the gas stove and then place the popcorns on plate. So this is how the popcorn will look. I had this popcorn and I will say these popcorns are really good. They are crispy and they are also much better than the popcorns which are sold outside. The best part of these popcorns is that you get these popcorns ready in just 3 minutes. So that's all in this video. Please let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.